Hey folks, your friend Regis here, coming to you from the home of your next ride, Chuck Nash Group. Folks, what you see behind me right here is a big old billboard saying thank you very much to Central Texas. We've been here for 50 years. We greatly appreciate your support. To those of you who have never been here, come by and see us. We've got a 50-year-old recipe for taking good care of people. Something that you should try. You'll never want to try anything else once you've tried this. Exit 208, the Chuck Nash Loop. If you miss it, just loop around, you're not going to miss it again.